The vastness of space is an endless expanse that has captivated humans for centuries. Imagine an object so dense that a teaspoon of it would weigh as much as a mountain on Earth. Yes, we're talking about neutron stars. But hold on tight, because we've got a jaw-dropping revelation about these cosmic powerhouses that's going to challenge everything you thought you knew. This incredible phenomena has been puzzling scientists for ages. The neutron stars are the remnants of massive supernova explosions. When a massive star exhausts its nuclear fuel, it collapses under its own gravity, forming a neutron star. These celestial wonders are incredibly small, yet incredibly dense. Picture this. A neutron star is so dense that just a sugar cube-sized amount of its material would weigh a staggering 1 billion tons. Can you fathom the immense pressure and forces at play here? Now, here's the twist. Recent research has revealed a mind-blowing secret about the neutron stars that's been hidden from us for years. Scientists have discovered an exotic state of matter within these neutron stars, challenging our understanding for the fundamental building blocks of the universe. This is a mind-boggling revelation about this mysterious state of matter within neutron stars that will shatter the existing theories and leave you with more questions than answers. It's an exploration that pushes the boundaries of our comprehension and leaves us in awe of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. For years, neutron stars have intrigued astronomers and physicists alike. We knew they were incredibly dense and packed with neutrons, but recent breakthroughs have uncovered something truly mind-boggling. Imagine that inside these already mind-bending celestial bodies, there exists a state of matter so strange and exotic that it pushes the boundaries of our understanding of physics. Neutron stars are like the leftover remnants of massive stars that have gone supernova. They're incredibly compact, with a mass greater than our Sun squeezed into a sphere just a few kilometers in diameter. Picture it like compressing an entire city into a sugar cube. That's the sheer complexity we're dealing with. The pressure inside a neutron star is beyond comprehension. It's like trying to balance a skyscraper on the tip of a needle. Now, within this extreme environment, scientists have revealed an astonishing discovery. Recent studies have revealed an enigmatic state of matter inside neutron stars, often referred as quark matter. Quarks are fundamental particles that make up protons and neutrons. In this state, quarks are no longer confined within protons and neutrons, but exist in a free, deconfined state, essentially creating a soup of quarks. This discovery challenges our fundamental understanding of matter and the strong force, the fundamental force that holds quarks and protons together. Quark matter challenges conventional models and theories that we've held for decades, redefining our understanding of the universe at its most fundamental level. But what does this mean for our understanding of the cosmos? How does this exotic state of matter within neutron stars reshape our view for the universe's building blocks? The implications are staggering, and we're about to uncover how this discovery could revolutionize our perception of the very fabric of space and time. So, stay tuned, space enthusiasts. In our next episode, we'll delve even deeper into the mysterious world of quark matter and explore how it's reshaping the landscape of astrophysics and our understanding of the cosmos. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you are the first one to know about our cosmic revelation. Until then, keep pondering the wonders of the universe.